Harvey's just there, look. You see him there. About to go down the slide. Go down it then.
Go down it.
Off he goes. Andrew's just playing with the other kids there, look. Right, we're back at the tent. Bless Tina, the heat's got to you, innit?
Yeah.
She's got one of her reds on and she don't feel well. She feels like she's going to pass out, so she's there, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's not too good, so we've had to basically rush back.
Sorry guys, people.
I've still got some footage there. Obviously if you look back at some of the other videos, I've got a full video there where it's cooler. But the heat's just too much.
I feel awful, I'm sorry.
It's fine, doesn't matter. Does if you're not feeling well, what can you do?
And the doctor tells me to sit in the sun more to get vitamin D.
Yeah, that's what they do, say sit in the sun more, get vitamin D, but the problem is she can't because it gives her a headache. So that's every day for the past week you've been getting one, isn't it?
I didn't take my sleep tablet last night.
Yeah, that might be why then. But yeah, it looks like we've got trouble with the car again. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to get my mechanic to have a look at it. First I thought it was the shock absorbers, which I'm not sure if it is or not, but now when I'm turning on quite a bit of like lock, you can hear it knocking, so it might be a ball joint, I'm not sure. So he's going to have a look at the car now as well, which is more money I could have done without. It's always something, isn't there, with cars, especially with us. There's always something. Need to get it sorted though in case it is something serious, or get him to have a look at it and he'll be able to tell me what it is and see if I can get it done as cheap as I can. But it is doing it, it's knocking, it's got worse, isn't it?
Yeah.
So definitely, obviously we're not using the car now till we go home, and then I'll get him, see what money we got left, and I'll have to get him to have a look at it as soon as, so I can work out what the problem is. Oh, there's always something. Oh well, still enjoying the holiday. Shame we've got to go home Sunday, but you've got to go home at some point, didn't you? So anyway, we're not doing much now. We're just sitting here chilling in the shade under the boat. You can see it there. Gives us a little bit of shade, doesn't it? Mm. Kids have just gone to play with the kids opposite over there. So we'll catch you all in a bit. Ta-da. Hello everyone. Cooking. Tina's doing it today. Look. Chopping hot dogs, because we're having pasta with the pasta sauce and the hot dogs. This is a nice, quick, easy meal, this. And, yeah, my dad got us onto this first. He used to do it like this, but he uses corned beef with it now. Those are the sauces we get. What are they? Tomato and what?
I don't know from the top of my head.
Andrew, grab me one of them bottles. Oh, Italian creamy tomato sauce. For obviously your pasta. I'll tell you one thing, it's beautiful. Especially with the hot dogs, but you can have it corned beef, you can have it ham. Actually, you can have it with anything, even probably normal sausage. If you don't like hot dogs, just get the sausage, cook them up.
2-second rule.
Yeah, cook them up, and then you can just chop them, put them. I think we've done that before when we ate hot dogs, have we? I've fried some sausage up, cut them up, put them in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, our friends have gone now, look. They're not there anymore. It's picked up though, there's loads of people about now. I'll show you that in a bit. But yeah, 6 and a bus have gone. Lovely family, absolutely lovely family, aren't they?
Yeah. All
the little girls, bless them, trying to earn a little bit of money over the weekend at the festival, collecting people's rubbish and that, bless them. And Nick's daughter.
Emma. Yeah.
Was it Emma?
The youngest one.
Oh, I don't know, she was with them. Yeah, so obviously we had, right, gonna have to go through the names here. We've got Conrad and Nicole.
Sugar lumps.
Which is obviously the parents of the kids in the six in a bus. Lovely family. And we've got Nick and what's his missus' name?
Brian. Briny or something?
Brainy?
No, Brainy or something.
Briny. I've got Nick or Conrad or Nicole. If you watch this, let us know what Nick's missus is called. Completely forgotten. But if it is Briny or Brianna. We're not sure. Can't remember. I'll tell you, we've already told you all that we've got brains like sieves. Might remember them now, but then we'll probably forget again. So yeah, absolutely lovely pair of families. A lot of them were lovely buses, and the life they lead. Oh, you know what? People put van lifers down the drain and say, "Oh, you're ruining the country," or this and that. No, they're not. Are they heck? I hate it when people say that, and then you got the government trying to ban all this camping and that. Nah, I'm sorry. Any views that are watching I say are obviously against what I say, then so be it, but I'm not against it. I always say that you're born free. You die free. So live your life free. If that's what you want to do, you go and do it. You don't need to have anybody's permission. It's a free country. As long as obviously you don't leave a mess, as they say, leave no trace, no rubbish or anything like that, you should be fine. End of the day, you pay your insurance, you pay your road tax, you pay your council taxes and all this and that like everybody else and that do. You know, shouldn't have to be restricted to do anything that you want. You're all free, that's the way it should be. But no, I love what they're doing, fantastic lot. But, so Tina's doing this cooking that she's still cutting sausage or hot dogs. Look. Not sure I can see it there, yeah. I think Harvey's in the tin. Nah, I could smell on my mouth drooling. You alright, Andrew? There you go.
Hello.
He's been playing with her. You've been playing with over there. You say yeah. Well, you say the names because I don't know all the names. You say it on here because if they're watching, you can basically give them a shout out on the channel. So what are the names?
Liam.
Yeah.
Lexa.
Yeah.
Tia.
Yeah.
Levi.
Yeah.
And Tyler.
Yep, so all shout outs to all of yous on this channel. What's the mum and dad's and that all called?
Mum's Amanda to 3 of them.
Amanda.
No, yeah.
Is it?
Is it Amanda?
Oh, you'll have to ask. Is it? If not, you'll have to ask later. Anyway, big shout out to all of yous over there. That's if you're watching. Hopefully you are. Oh. I bet she can't open the tub. It's like, hey, how's it go? Oh, she pierced it. That's cheating. No, she's not doing it now. Need the other one. Right, I'm going to leave this one here for now till we can see how we're getting on, and then we'll get back to you halfway through. So, love you all. See you soon. Hey up, everyone. Oh, sorry, done no filming tonight. I've been talking to a load of people, so we've had dinner and a load of more campers come. That was here at the festival. So we've been basically chatting to them most of the night and had a few drinks over there with them. So if you're watching, hello. You know who you are.
Rachel and Eddie.
And Barry and Joe that turned up. We're talking to them as well. Yeah. So Tina's off to bed. It's 20 to 11.
Knackered.
There she is. She's tired out.
Good night.
Yeah, so she's going to bed. I'm watching the film. I'm watching that new Top Gun Maverick. Well, it's not new now. I think it's been out. I think it came out last year, didn't it? Some point last year, end of last year. So I'll watch that and then go to bed myself. So I think we'll say goodnight for now. Because that way, once this is finished, I can go straight to bed myself. So, good night, everyone. And we'll see you in the morning. Love you all. Ta-da. And don't forget, before we go, don't forget, subscribe, like, comment and share. It means the world to us. Love you all. Good night.